In this video, I'm going to show you how to center text in Neocities. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your files, go top right here, click on Edit, and from here you want to go into style.css and click on Edit again. From here you have a bunch of different things. What you can do here is just basically go down to the bottom, so click at the far right where it says like your font family or whatever it says, press enter, and now you're in a new line. Now inside this new line, what you have to do here is simply type in text dash a line, and then what you have to do is type in center and do a semicolon, click on save at the top, and if I now go to my website over here, there we go. As you can see, as I refreshed it, it's going to center every single text on my page. So that's basically how you can do this, but if you just want to center like certain parts of text, you could do that as well, but that will have to basically be done inside your index.html over here, etc. And you can go ahead and maybe ask ChatGPT or like Gemini or something like that how to do it for your specific code block or whatever code you're using or whatever part of website you're trying to actually center. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.